Morning everybody. Hello, how are you? Welcome to my vlog for today. Today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video, but I'm going to be doing kind of like a vlog style version of it. So I'm going to bring you guys throughout my day. I actually have off today, but I'm just kind of at home. So I took off today, it's Friday, and I'm just doing kind of like random errands today, and I thought I would show you guys what I eat. So I did one of these videos before, I'll card it over here, but if you guys are new to my channel, my name's Lauren, and I have IBS, so I am gluten and dairy free, so I was hoping that this video in particular could be really helpful for people who are gluten dairy free or who have IBS themselves. So to be honest, I'm gonna be a little more lazy today and do like really easy meals. So anyways, it is 10:15. I have to go to the eye doctor in half an hour. So I'm going to make myself a quick breakfast. I'm really feeling eggs and a bagel this morning. So I'm going to show you guys what I make for my bread and eggs and stuff like that. So it's going to be a really simple, easy breakfast. Also, this is my outfit. I'm just wearing all black workout clothes and then this dark green sports bra. But yeah, so just a very cute, chill, easy outfit. Alrighty, so I'm in my kitchen, so I'm gonna grab what I'm getting for breakfast. Okay, so these are the bagels I use. They're just these Odo Thins bagels. So this is what they look like. They're just these everything bagels. They're pretty thin since they are bagel thins, but they're really, really, really good. So I highly recommend these. And then I just have some brown eggs, my olive oil butter. This is definitely the best olive oil butter, the cleanest. It's a little bit more expensive, but way cleaner than a lot of the other olive oil butters. I just pulled some strawberries out as well. Okay, so I have this egg pan and it's so cute. It's just for one egg, but I love using it. It's like my favorite little pan. So I'll either make these scrambled or I'll do over easy. It just depends how I feel. So I'm gonna do over easy just for today. All right, so these are all done. I'm next gonna use my favorite ketchup. This is the organic ketchup from Trader Joe's, and just put a little bit of this on the bagel. So I cracked the egg because I'm literally the worst with eggs, but I don't really care. So I'm gonna put this on the bagel with the ketchup. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of salt and pepper on here. Alright guys, so this is my breakfast, just the strawberries and my little egg sandwich. I never said I was a chef, so this is the best I do, but it is dairy and gluten free and it's super, super yummy. So it's 11, almost 11, and we're heading to the eye doctor. So we might get Dunkin' Donuts after, we might not, but we'll see how we feel. But I just ate that breakfast real quick and now we're gonna head off. Hello guys, we are back from the eye doctor. So I didn't go to Dunkin' Donuts because I want to show you guys how I make my coffee at home. I've been obsessed with it and it's super healthy and doesn't have any added sugars or anything, and I've been loving it. So I'm going to show you guys how I make that. I'm going to make lunch soon. Like I said, today's kind of like a lazy what I eat in a day. I'm not really making like full-blown recipes for this one, but it's a more realistic one, so I hope you guys still like it. Okay, so we got the cutest little mugs ever. We got these actually from Walmart, and I think they're from the Pioneer Woman line at Walmart, and they were on sale, and my mom and I saw them, and we thought they were so cute. They have this little top, they're like these mason jar things, and they came with these little reusable purple straws. I also just bought a milk frother the other day, so I'm gonna be using that from Amazon. It was in my Amazon favorites video and I'm obsessed with it, so I've been frothing my milk and making my coffee more of like a latte. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this is the frother that I've been using from Bonds and Kitchen. Got it from Amazon. It just looks like this. And then I have this coffee. This is my Stoke, where is it? Stoke Unsweet coffee. It's so good, guys. I'm obsessed. And then lastly, for almond milk, I have the Planet Oat almond milk. This is actually the almond milk that Dunkin' uses too, and it's so good. So this is my favorite almond milk. All right, so literally I don't put any added sugar because if you guys don't know, oat milk's already pretty thick and pretty sweet. So all I do is add the milk. So I add like maybe like that much milk, and then I froth it. And then I just pour my coffee on top. And there's my little makeshift latte. I frothed it a little too much today, so there's more foam than I usually have. I usually have the foam like up to here, and I'll froth it for like 10 seconds. But overall, this is what my coffee looks like. Okay, so I think I'm gonna sit outside because it's so nice out. Okay, so I've been outside for like 15 minutes, not even, and there is a wasp's nest in my umbrella. And I don't want to get bitten by tons of wasps, so we're gonna go back inside. It is lunchtime, everybody, so let's go make some lunch. So for lunch today, I am making peanut butter apples and chicken nuggets. That's my lunch, just being real. Usually what I eat during the work week because it's super easy to make, and I'm usually really busy during the day, so I don't really have time to be making like lunches. So I'm gonna be making a nice, easy, quick lunch, peanut butter apples and chicken nuggets. Okay, so for chicken nuggets, I usually get these Applegate Naturals gluten-free ones. These are definitely the more clean brand for sure. So if you guys are looking just for easy chicken nuggets, these are definitely a lot cleaner than most brands. So I'm gonna be making these. And then for my peanut butter, I have the Earth Balance. It's the same as my normal butter, creamy peanut butter. This is again a very clean peanut butter if you look at the ingredients. I kind of base everything off ingredients, not calories or anything, just if the ingredients are whole and clean. So this is definitely one of the best peanut butters. And then I just have a green apple that I'm gonna be cutting up for my side. All right, so now that I have these cut up, I'm actually just gonna throw these into the microwave. I usually like to put them in the toaster oven, but I'm kind of running around today, so I'm gonna just throw these into the microwave for a minute on each side. All right, and then obviously I'm using my organic ketchup. I love ketchup. I go through ketchup so quickly. And this, like I said, is my favorite one from Trader Joe's. And this is my final lunch. Okay, everybody, so we're heading off to the grocery store. I want to make this banana bread later. That's only 5 ingredients that I learned a recipe to, and I'm really excited about it, but I don't have enough bananas to make it, so we're gonna head off to the grocery store, my mom and I, because she needs to get some stuff too. And then we're also going to get some more avocados, and I wanna show you guys how we make our guac, because I'm having fajitas for dinner. So we need to get some stuff so I can actually show you guys how to make it. Also, I'm one of those people who gets so cold so easily, and whenever I'm at the grocery store, I'm always freezing cold. So I always have a sweater, like I have one right here, that I bring with me. I love this sweater, it's from Old Navy. Hi guys, so we just got out of the grocery store. So I think I'll do a little mini grocery haul when I get home so you guys can see. But yeah, got some good stuff. And I'm wearing my sweater still, even though it's like almost 80, but whatever. So yeah.
Walgreens is wiped out of the 90%. Everything is gone. All you have is a couple of mirrors for 49 cents. I'm telling you.
Oh yeah, what were you trying to get again?
I was trying to see if they have
Summer decorations?
Summer stuff. It was 90% off. Shoes, anything. They had clothing. Everything's gone. All you see is a couple of shoes in there.
Oh.
You gotta go. That's what the coupon lady says.
Okay, so I'm doing a little mini grocery haul. So I just picked up a couple of things. I got my unsweetened almond milk, my Planet oat milk, and obviously my chicken nuggets that I showed you guys. I first got these siete shells. These are the ones that I was talking about. I'm really excited about them. I couldn't find the soft ones, so I just got the hard taco shells. They look really, really good. And then I got some sliced untoasted almonds for a salad that I want to make. Some bananas for that banana bread that I'm going to show you guys. 2 dressing packets. I got the balsamic. These look really, really good, and my friend tried this brand, The Good Seasons, and her salad tasted amazing, so I'm gonna try the balsamic. Lastly, I got tomatoes and avocados. The tomatoes are for my salsa and then also for my salad, and then the avocados are for my guacamole. Alrighty, so I am going to do a quick ab workout. I'm doing my Chloe Ting one. She came out with her new 14-day ab challenge or 14-day shred challenge, and I always just do the ab workouts and the challenges, but I really like her new one that she came out with, so I'm gonna do that. It's only like 10 minutes long, and then I'm going to make some fajitas and guacs. Okay, so today we're doing chicken fajitas. Usually I will make these myself, but today is a lazy day. So I got these from Aldi. I wanted to show you guys these as well. These are really great to heat and serve if you guys are looking for, again, a nice quick gluten dairy-free meal. It's probably not the best thing ever, but it's not too bad. So I do like eating these, and they make 2 portion sizes. So I had some last night, so I kept the other half in here for tonight. So it smells so good, but this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna be putting them into the hard shells that I told you guys about, the siete ones. Have yet to try these, I'm really excited. Okay, so I put my taco shells in the microwave for about 20 seconds, and I have my salsa here, so I'm just going to put my fajita mix in. Alright guys, so I stuffed these like no other. I could have probably made 3, but whatever. So I made just 2. I'm then gonna add some chips here on the side. This is my dinner, which is so good. Mexican or Tex-Mex is my fave, so this is definitely the perfect dinner for me. Hi guys, so it is now 8 p.m. and I am feeling like I want some banana bread. And I've been really excited to show you guys this recipe. I actually went to the grocery store to get more bananas today because I really wanted to include this recipe in my video. I have been obsessed with this banana bread. I have been making it for dessert every single week. One thing that I realized with desserts, especially if you're dairy gluten-free or you want to eat more whole foods, more healthy, is that I love the combination of oats, banana, and then chocolate. So I realized that I just really enjoy desserts that have that combination of ingredients in it. It tastes the same, it has the same texture, everything's the same to me personally, and you can put as many chocolate chips as you want in it, so that's fun. With the chocolate chips, there's technically 6 ingredients, but the actual banana bread has 5, but I put chocolate chips in it because I just like chocolate. So anyways, why don't we get started and I'll show you guys the banana bread recipe. Look how cute these oven gloves are. They're like these fall themed ones. They're so cute. But the banana bread is all finished, so I'm gonna show you guys the final product. I really can't get over these oven mitts. They're so cute. But anyways, this is the final banana bread. This is what it looks like. So good. It smells so good. Okay, so I just cut this into 4 separate slices. That's usually what I'll end up doing. So I'll have this for the next 4 days, which is super nice. And I'm gonna have this with a glass of oat milk. So I put it in one of my favorite Virgo mugs. I got this mug from either Marshall's or TJ Maxx, but it's so, so cute. Okay guys, so I'm just going to watch some YouTube for the rest of the night, take a shower, go to bed, and yeah, I got kind of impatient and didn't let it cool down, and so it's just a bunch of crumbly mess, but it tastes so good. I highly recommend making this banana bread. It's absolutely delicious. Anyways guys, I think I'm gonna stop this video for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this more vlog style what I eat in a day, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or any recipes that you think I should try out, definitely let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.